Hello, my name is Penny and this is Penny's Art Emporium. So today I've spent a few hours just trying to get organised for my painting. I feel like it's quite a big painting that I'm going to do. I've got this lovely Loxley Gold canvas which is 60 centimetres square with a lovely deep edge to it, and I love using these, and I'm always really worried when I do because they're so lovely. I'm always worried that I will not be successful in the painting that I do, and therefore I keep putting off using these canvases, but today I really do want to. So this painting that I've got on here was Flower Meadow, and it was my video number 156. And it was a really lovely painting, and it has already sold quite quickly, which is nice. And I just thought that style of painting would just be really nice with this deep edge canvas, because I could put all the greenery all the way around the edge, and then have a little bit of a light coloured kind of top to it with my balloon dips, with my lovely pastel metallic paints at the top, and then I want it to be a bit lighter in the middle this time and do it much darker greens around the outside. So that's what I would like to do. I have spent, like I say, a few hours preparing for it just to try to make sure it all runs smoothly. So I have mixed up some white paint and I've put it into squirty containers for that top bit. I've got all my paints in the order that I'm going to use them in. So I've got my nice pastel pearl colours for the top, my more slightly coloured, more pastel colours for the middle, and then I've got all my greens together, and then that's kind of all my background. I've got some metallic golds and a little bit of Payne's grey, because that's quite nice to make branches with my palette knives in my mixed tray of paint. And then I've got a box here. It looks really untidy today, doesn't it? I do feel it looks untidy, but I've got all my colours here in this box, and this is what I'm going to add on while it is still wet after I've done my background. So I've got some lovely different yellows in here, metallic and non-metallic. I have got reds because I do want it to be nice and citrusy again. Just nice red, orange, yellows, lovely yellowy greens. And then I have got a little bit of pink and a little bit of purple, just a tiny bit. And then I will put all that down to start with today. And then once that is dry, I will then add bits to it, and we'll just see how busy it gets with all the flowers and all the lovely bright colours. And I will have my fluorescent orange and fluorescent pink, because that really is nice just to kind of just have little pops of colour here and there. So I will get started and I'll put it on hyperlapse for you, and we'll see how that goes. So here is this painting so far. This is still wet, and you can see that I've added lots and lots of lovely little details amongst the bigger flowers, and that base is actually drying quite nicely now. It's quite dry in places. I will add some more details when it is dry. Let me just get down from this ladder. Yeah, so I'll add more details when it is dry, and I will video that for you. But so far, you must have seen in my video I scraped away some of the paint before I put my flowers down this time, and I thought that that might help to make them brighter, because I'd really like them to be very vibrant, and then I can see what they might need when it's dry, if they need something extra sort of added to them. And I will add a lot more details when it is dry. So bye for now. So here is this painting. I've had a slight change of plan since I looked at it last. This is about 4 weeks old now, since I originally painted it. I've been away and come back from a holiday, and the more I look at it, the more I think I don't actually want to add any more to it. I just really love the way that it is really vibrant with those lovely flowers, and all the flowers are quite consistent in their style, so I don't want to add dots or little tendrily bits, because I just think it actually might just spoil the kind of just freshness of it. And I'll also show you as I sort of change angles a little bit. This is completely in the natural light, so you can see how all those bits of background catch the light, and I just feel that if I add to it, I just think I will spoil it, because I just actually love it how it is. These lovely colours in this background, they just really make it so pretty, and the metallic details from the flowers, and they're so bright, these flowers, and although they're quite naive and simple in their kind of structure of the flower, the way that it's painted, if you look at that red one, you can see the darker edges to it. And I just decided that actually I just really like all the flowers as they are. I don't want to add any more to them. These red and orange ones are just lovely. I just think they're really sweet. The white one there. And the same with the branches. Some of them don't look very sophisticated in their style maybe, but they just do all go together. And those lovely little bright colours, and the background is the thing in particular that I really love, the way that all those colours just shine in the light. And the greens are just really lovely too. And it is different from all different angles how the colours go together, and the darkness of that edge. And of course it goes all the way over the sides and kind of underneath as well. So I've decided that I'm just going to leave it as it is and not add any more to it, although that wasn't my intention when I started. You see all those lovely edges, lovely and dark. So there it is. I'll add some more photos to see if I can show you in different lights. But I do feel that it is finished now. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.